Sharks don't get scared, but it's not. It's a whale shark.
Oh. But what if I attack the shark? Will he get scared if I yell at the shark? I can yell underwater. I think I could scare a shark.
And then you can get a boat and swim after it really fast.
Chase it away.
Chase it to the end of us.
The end of us? What does that mean? You mean the end of the world?
We'll throw it out of the world, and then we'll give it to God. We'll throw it up to God.
Let's see.
That'll be really high. You'll have to do that.
I'll do that.
And God will catch it. One more. One more.